When choosing among large machines like 2850 and 3060, consider your production needs. Double plate press. Ideal for large-sized inflatable glass 2440 3660 mm, ensuring uniform pressing and suitable for high-end products. Single plate press. Suited for mixed production large common glass plus small inflatable glass, capable of secondary pressing for common glass to save costs and space. Suggestions. Opt for the double plate press for high-end customizations, for example special shaped glass. Choose the double plate press for large-scale production, daily output 500 square meters. Select the single plate press if you have a limited budget or small workspace. Contact us for customized solutions.